Okay, so commutative property, no? Commutative property, dalawa man ito for addition and multiplication. So, dito muna tayo sa commutative property of addition. Ang ibig sabihin ng commutative property of addition, from words addition, ang ibig sabihin kasi ng addition, plus yan, di ba? And then, ang multiplication is times. So, unahin natin muna ang commutative property of addition. So, ibig sabihin, plus yan siya. Right? So, ang ibig sabihin ng commutative property of addition, for example, no, A plus B equals B plus A. Ang ibig sabihin nito, ang tawag dito sa property na to is commutative property of addition. Bakit addition? Kasi plus yan siya, no? Nandito ang A, di ba? A, di ba? A. Yan. O, plus B equals, si B na naman, then plus A. O, pareho lang, di ba? May A tayo dito. O, may A tayo, may A, may B, then may B, then addition. So, ang tawag dito ay commutative property of addition. For example, sa number tayo, no? Example number 1, example, meron 5 plus 3 is just equals to 3 plus 5. O, ang ibig sabihin nito, property is the property or commutative property of addition. Commutative property of addition, no? Commutative property of addition yan. Next, example, pwede din, taas ko ng konti pwede din, let's say, 12 plus 7 equals 7 plus 12. Diba? So, nakikita natin dito, okay, nandito ang 12, dito din yung 12, nandito ang 7, nandito ang 7, then plus sila pareho. Yan. So, ang tawag dito ay commutative property of addition. Okay? Commutative property of addition. Another one, no? Let's say, letter na naman, no? X plus Y, of course, equals Y plus X. Okay, so that is still commutative property of addition. Ang tawag dito ay commutative property of addition. Bakit? Nandito ang X, diba? Nandito din ang X. Nandito ang Y. Nandito din ang Y. O yung plus natin, So, ang tawag dito class ay commutative property of addition. Okay? So, proceed tayo sa another example, no? Let's say number 4 example, 21 plus 5 is just the same as or equals to 5 plus 21. Okay? Nandito ang 21. Nandito ang 21. Nandoon din ang 21. Diba? Nandito si 5. Nandito din si 5. That is commutative property of addition. So, tandaan nyo, commutative property of addition. Next, dito naman tayo sa commutative property of multiplication. Pinalitan lang, no? Pinalitan lang ang addition to multiplication. Diba? So, commutative property of multiplication, ang sabi dito, okay, A times B is just B or equals to B times A. Diba? So, sulat ko, no? A times B equals B times A. Nandito ang A. Nandito ang A, nandito din si A, tapos si B, then si B. Tapos, multiplication yan kasi times, di ba? So, ang tawag dito, class, is commutative property of multiplication. Bakit siya multiplication? Times yan. Hindi katulad kanina. Kanina ay A plus B equals B plus A. So, ang tawag dito ay commutative property of addition. Okay, commutative property of addition. Lagyan natin, no? Ang tawag dito ay commutative property of addition. Okay, yan, no? Commutative property of addition. So, next is, pag naging times siya, no? Pag naging times, let's say A times, no? Times B equals B times A. So, times yan siya. So, ang tawag dito ay commutative property of multiplication. Commutative property of multiplication. Multiplication. Okay, yan, no? Ayan. So, makikita din naman natin ang different, no? Pag A, tapos may A ka dito, B, tapos may B, tapos plus, then plus, ang ibig sabihin yan, commutative property of addition. O, kung A, may A tayo, then B, may B, then times, ang ibig sabihin ng times is multiplication. So, ibig sabihin yan, commutative property of multiplication. Example, no? Commutative, sulat natin na. Okay, copy. Lagay natin dito. Alright, so ito, no? Kabilaan sila. Lagyan ko ng line. Yan. Okay. Taas natin ng konti. Ano? Lagyan natin ng line. Okay, so, example, sa commutative property, example, no? So, sa commutative property of addition, example lang, no? 8 plus 4 equals 8. I don't know. 4 plus 8. Oh, 'di ba? So, may 8 tayo. Ito, then may 8 din. Then 4, tsaka may 4. So, plus and plus. Ang ibig sabihin yan, commutative property of addition. Okay, next. Dito na naman sa commutative property of multiplication. Let's say, 8 times 4 equals 4 times 8. Diba? Okay, so, may 8 tayo, then 8 na naman, then 4, and 4 na naman, tapos times and times. Ang ibig sabihin yan, commutative property of multiplication. Another one. Number 2. Let's say 25 plus 3 equals 3 plus 25. Okay? So, again, no? Diba? Meron tayong 25. Meron ding 25. Diba? Merong 3. Meron ding 3. Tapos plus and plus. That is commutative property of addition. Okay? And then, kung naging ganito, 25 times 3 equals 3 times 25. Okay, so meron tayong 25, meron din sa kabila, may 25, 3, meron din sa kabila 3, and then times and times. Ang ibig sabihin yan, commutative property of multiplication. O kung magsasolve natin yan, di ba? Example number 1, let's say Diba? 8 plus 4 equals 4 plus 8. Anong tawag sa property na to? Commutative. No, ang tawag sa property na to is commutative property of addition. Diba? So, kung i-simplify natin kasi 8, sorry, 8 plus 4 is 12, di ba? 12 equals 4 plus 8 is also 12. Yan. That is commutative property of addition. And then, ito na naman, i-times natin. 8 times 4 equals 4 times 8. Ang ibig sabihin yan, commutative property of multiplication. Commutative. Bakit commutative? May 8, no? May 8 dito sa kabila, mayroon din 8, 4 sa kabila, may 4 din, tapos times and times, that is multiplication. So, ang property nito is commutative property of multiplication. So, 8 times 4 equals 32, di ba? Equals, no? Then 4 times 8 is also 32. Yan, no? Commutative property of multiplication.